Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper Mahakumbh 2025 UP Police to ensure crowd control with foreign Indian breed horses. The Uttar Pradesh government is making special arrangements for the security of the devotees ahead of the Mahakumbh scheduled to be held in 2025. The American Palm Blood and England's Thoroughbred horses, along with the Desi Indian breed, are being brought in Prayagraj to work for crowd control. This is being done for the ease of devotees since the mounted police will be effective in managing situations and crowds during the Kumbh. 130 horses will be deployed in the upcoming Kumbh Mela for the protection of citizens. As of now, 70 horses have come here. Of these, 4 American blood horses have been brought for the Kumbh. Each horse is priced around at least Rs 6.5 lakh. What the rider thinks. The horses follow 40 horses of thoroughbred from England. Hey Suju, what he is doing right now? Have been brought here. The rest of them are Indian breed, Kathiawadi, Marwadi, and Amritsari. Prem Babu, Inspector Kumbh Mela Mounted Police, told ANI. The police official further explained that these horses undergo 6 months of rigorous training to prepare for deployment in crowded places. These horses undergo 6 months of rigorous training to be deployed in crowded places such as melas and traffic control. The horses of foreign breed can see long distances and are sharp minded. It also helps the rider to surveil the area. Oh, hey! Babu added. The use of mounted police will be crucial for crowd control and patrolling, helping to maintain discipline and security for devotees during the Mahakumbh. Especially trained mounted police will be deployed for the event in preparation for the upcoming Mahakumbh. Sasikant Tripathi, Chief Public Relations Officer of North Central Railway, announced that Indian Railway is eliminating 21 level crossing gates in Prayagraj to ensure smoother traffic movement in a major infrastructure overhaul. 21 level crossing gates are being eliminated at a cost of approximately Rs 450 crores. 21 LC level crossing gates are being prepared at an expense of around Rs 450 crores. 15 of these gates are ready and the remaining will also be ready this December, Tripathi said. On Saturday, the UP government deployed 350 shuttle buses to ensure smooth travel for visitors and devotees during Mahakumbh 2025 in Prayagraj. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.